Hello guys, welcome back to Zik the Programming Guide channel. My name is Beatrice, and in today's video I'll be showing you how to open locked folder in Google Photo. I know a lot of people don't know about locked folder in Google Photo. Me as well, I did not know about it until now. I just discovered that you can actually lock or hide your videos and photos from other people in your Google Photo. So how are you going to locate that? It's very simple. So let's get right into the video. First thing, you have to click on your Google Photo just like this. Once you click on this, you can now look up below your screen and you can see collections right here. So you need to click on collections and scroll down, and now you can see locked right here. Yeah, it's very easy to locate. Click on that, and once you click on it, you're going to see setup. So once you click on setup, you will be asked to actually put your fingerprint or your face ID so that you can lock your locked folder. You understand? So mine have already been done. So what I need to do is put my fingerprint like this, and you can see the photo I hid. Yeah, this is how to actually open locked folder in Google Photo. If this guide was helpful, give this a thumbs up and equally subscribe to get more helpful tips like this. Thanks for watching guys. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.